Hisense Smart TV App Store. Hisense Smart TVs come with a built-in app store that allows users to download and manage apps for streaming, gaming, music, and smart home integration. The available app store depends on the TV's operating system, such as Vita A, Android TV, Google TV, or Roku TV. Users can explore various categories, install new apps, and update existing ones to enhance their viewing experience. 1. Accessing the App Store on Hisense Smart TV. Each Hisense Smart TV model has a different app store based on its platform. Vita A-powered TVs use the Vita A App Store, Android TV and Google TV models feature the Google Play Store, and Roku TV models provide access to the Roku Channel Store. To open the App Store, press the Home button on the remote, navigate to the App Store option, and browse or search for apps. 2. How to download and install apps. Step 1. Ensure the TV is connected to the internet. Step 2. Press the Home button on the remote and open the App Store. Step 3. Use the search bar or explore categories to find the desired app. Step 4. Select the app and click the Install or Download button. Step 5. Once the installation is complete, access the app from the home screen or My Apps section. 3. Updating and managing installed apps. To keep apps running smoothly, regular updates are necessary. Users can enable automatic updates or manually check for updates by selecting an app in the App Store. Unwanted apps can be uninstalled by navigating to the My Apps section, selecting the app, and choosing the Uninstall option. Some Hisense models also allow users to rearrange apps for easier access. 4. Troubleshooting issues with the App Store. If the App Store is not working, users should check their internet connection and restart the TV. Clearing the App Store cache or updating the TV's firmware can resolve issues with downloading or loading apps. If an app is unavailable, it may not be supported on that particular Hisense model. A factory reset may help restore functionality if all else fails. Hisense Smart TV's App Store provides access to a wide range of apps, allowing users to personalize their TV experience. Whether downloading new apps, updating existing ones, or troubleshooting issues, managing the App Store ensures a smooth and enjoyable smart TV experience.